Brad Williams, Excel Prime. We're going to sort companies using a random set of numbers, all right? Here we have 13 different companies. We want to show these in random order. We have this RAND. Here is a RAND setup. It just selects random decimals. We want to use this as a means to get a random set of companies. Here, they're in no particular order, but let's just mix them up. Well, here's a sort order based off this random deal. 6 is equal to Walmart. 5 is GE. That's where GE ranks. 3, Target. It's just the relative row number. Is it relative to anything? No. But we need this sort in order to incorporate it into this randomness. We're going to use index match. We need to keep some kind of order here. In order to do that, we're going to throw in this rows deal. You remember the rows deal? We need to count. In other words, we need to identify the first row. Why? Because we're going to use match. And match requires a row. Well, index actually requires a row. This stuff over here, right here, is just a fallback. If you don't understand how this flows, then tear this thing apart like I've already done. And I'm going to try to explain it to you as quick as possible, but here we go. We have index company 884 right here. We're looking through this list of companies. Well, that's our array. Our row number, match. That's all we need. Looking at match, you're going, what? Let's dive into match. Here we have our lookup value. What are we looking up? 1. We need to know, our lookup is row 1. We want to know what's going on here. Row 1, F9. That's 1. Well, here, rows D5, D9. We want to know, match the stuff, show it in row 1. What's our lookup array? What's our random sort? What's our random sort right here? Match is saying, hey, random sort, just give me a number and put it in number 1 based on this D5, D14. If you look here at the lookup array, F9, it's just going to be 6531 whatever. This lookup array is saying, find number 6. So it's going to go down here and it's going to be Walmart. It better be Walmart. Well, I cheat because I just copied the same thing over here. This random array is just going to pick a random from this random sort. It's just going to put it in whatever it in our lookup value. That's it. If you don't get this rows number, break away, think about it. And 2 is going to be D5, D6. Again, that is our F9, our lookup array, 6, 5. We're going to look for 5. If we go down here and we look up this array, it's going to give all the numbers, F9. And you know how our array works. This is going to be 6, row 1, because we're in rows. We're going down 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an array. So we're going to go 6, row 1, 5, row 2, all the way down to 8. Then our random sort is going to be exactly that. It's going to be lookup array, F9, is what I just showed you. We have match type, exact match. Over here, I just broke this down. Match row here, match row is 6. And then index name, which is just this, index is Walmart. So I just broke this down for you. And then I just went back and I put it back together. I put rank back together. So you literally could just hide this or delete it. And COUNTIF doesn't apply here because everything is random anyway. But this is what you would incorporate if there's a tie. This is one of those step back, use the fundamentals. This is all fundamental Excel. It's beginner Excel. But if you didn't pick it up in the beginner or didn't take the course, here's just a review. Read this if you need to. Read it if you need it. The anatomy I just explained. Rank, if you don't recall rank, it's just straightforward. And then again, this COUNTIF is for any tiebreakers. Brad Williams. Excel primed.